Hello guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
He pay you just a flag am. Wanna pull off and like. As soon as they come out, they pull off and like. Ah, what bravi shuewa? E ravi shue. Ah, what pinyawa? Wanna pull off and like. They flag am. They flag my video. Wanna they pull off and like. Ah, what bravi shuewa? Ma we be. Me a showing yana. Me a beg ewe no why. Me a wa e wo kele ohoa. E ravi shwe agwa binyawa. Mona press love and like. Mona they press love and like. They flag my video. Unye gben. Ovi gbe akia. Ovi ashawo. E jwe iwe no ya gbe akia ve Vivian tie. Ugbagwe. Oma gegbe yegbe. Keneteke. Kenete vosa eke ovieke. Ni va bomu era huwa ya America benu we wa be ohuana. Ogun ogbera gbiju e va bo la yen gbe. Wa gbe o untan. Won susu, no kiro no jilawa. We wa flag e with gbe lao. Wa flag e with gbe lao. Well, you cannot stop me. You are just an idiot. A video where you know where you delete it. When my friend, I they follow you bomber to bomber. Bomber to bomber. Now they follow you bomber to bomber. I they follow you bomber to bomber. Let's go there. Are you hoy? Wanna press love and like? Enough it they just they flag my video. They flag my video. They flag my video. They offer. They flag her. Because you want a laptop in ya we on your way ban on say. Or what for every no buy. On your also not going out react be. Agboe kill kulogbe. Agboe react be. Americano jena agboe react be. Iba wine as a waffle. Or talono de maseke no je ina ki tale tatatoto. Or italo for na moya de. Ina do okay, ma don't analyze it. Na home no zuo wa ni American ma be weji. Show moto ma question. Show kenu na wina ma question. What do I make kunu? Blah 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 blah. Wa le loku ogun a de. Uma wo washa wana biewe. Uma wo washa wana biewe. Me ahamu we washa wana bi me. Imi aya enwani me ne ya deal with you we. We are we then we legal immigrant. Eri mereje. Do you understand? So just they flag this video. You are fooling yourself. You are fooling yourself. You understand? You are disgracing yourself. Stop flagging my video and get out of my sight. You want it when I will stay away from me and Amazing. Stay away from us. You refuse. I'm going to deal with you. I know they joke. You understand? I know they find trouble. But if you find me, I go use that tire you. I am not joking. If you find me, I go use that tire you. I know they do saga, no miss, I know sabi talk or I know sabi analyze video. And they stay my lane. So everybody stay your lane, park where. If you cross my path, I go deal with you. Not be say I need anybody to make them come fight. No, my own personally. Not just a man. Ravi shue. Ravi shue. Ya oho ane. Ravi shue. Ravi shue. Iya oho ara Americana. Ijwe no wa eti wa wina wu bagwe. Ona wina ona be a bastard even nje. Era maya we DNA tin yo bi o but nya we no wo ho era be oho a o. So eti we DNA sho. Then ya wo we wa oho nya we era wa be she. Era wa be oho a. So era eti we DNA sho. You see? So it's the same cuz nya we ti we wa amu eni a. Nya we sha fi ogbele we family kwa. Maybe my eti we be eni so ya we test. Man need that proof. Why man?
Atiti will have the nerve.
Atiti masewe. Stop mentioning Atiti. Atiti ya masewe. Atiti at least okorokpa mela jana we kia enwi na we. Oh who where? Confirm. My lady send in a ring in order ye kia. We go my girlfriend house. There when my girlfriend dey date am. E dating ya ga awu. Ona gun phone me na no ya we ona mo nya ho ne wo ni. Oyi musowa asori na so boy you get or you or yana de luwe ya wo mara ya we ba ni ogwa je we na walalo ya wo number unfuna de found one likuna kpeko so na contact this guy. He's very good at it. That he head where they rise, that he head where they long. Not just they carry the long go. Nice pain full inside. Over. They say they finish work for kpeko's licking. But you know now, as a woman, why be you say now woman, you know I be. If man don't lick your kpekus, your body don't ginger. I they be the fight prick, you not can get. Now that one can't be the problem. He prick no raise. Now my friend comes and say, I know the joke, I not say Vivian, I know the lie. Bros, what you call the apple now where your prick not can get up? Atiti is better than you. Let me explain. Shut up, my friend. So my friend come tell her and say, guy, why your prick no come? Why you not can get up now? He say na anxiety. Only men they look me as I dey here, so as I dey talk, so their body they get up, they ginger, their body they raise. You say woman, your prick no raise. Hey! Now my friend come say, why anxiety as I say you don't see Toto, you never see Toto before. You say you have been married for 16 years, be 18 years as you talk. Though you can't see Toto now, it can't be anxiety. Not be anxiety, make the prick raise, make the woman say, hey, not call kill me, oh. Anxiety, prick no raise. So my friend can say, okay, maybe the next day or later reach, nothing, no. He can't suggest. Say, you get one thing when they use. Make they go CPS. CPS for one with they see woman, with they see war green, with they see CPS, they say drugs. All those normal minor drugs, maybe headache, body pain, maybe you get gas, you get fat for belly, all those normal drugs, not be prescription. That you just go there, you carry a vitamin, if you take them, all those things. They sell for all those places. You say, make that they go, now that one carry for motor. They go CPS. As I read CPS, you can't find the thing. Now my girlfriend comes and says, what it be that? She said she never seen her for her life. Me too. I never seen her for my life. He said, you can't say they find something, but this one we insist so, but not be the one we fed the use. Another one day. But you don't see that one. Me manage this one. My friend say you can't look at. They buy and they pay, they reach out. The thing still there with my friend till today. CVS, thank you. They say they find that thing. They see it's still there with my girlfriend till today. Even when I go Boston that day, she show me. I tell her, say, Gawa KJ, evidence is wanahi, so that akwega wari, was a cut, iwe ni yami, ni ayawe experiment, your day kiago gele areva. Just very simple. So, I keep pay. My friend say he can't hold it. He can say, what's it be? This can say me, no worry. Say, he go, sure, as he take the walk. My friend can say, okay. They can't really reach us. Oh yeah, as normal now, your guy can't see you. He leave his wife for us, so according to her, he can't meet another woman for another state. He don't want to do it here. Now make his life useless. Now so they don't want to go. Every state, now make her they fight me. Cause me, I'm not useless like her. I know what I want. If I go for what I want, I get it in. I don't withdraw. Now maybe Vivian. Do you understand? You don't understand. You don't know me, oh. If you know me, you not go feel. You go here, they run, they go. You say, my boy, oh. I know they do bad, but don't cross my path with evil. Did you understand? So as my friend, they don't reach us now. They can't say, okay, they can't they play, they touch, they lick that place. They say they try for them. They want in watch you know any. You we want you watch it. Or you want la no ina woja or what in any machine. Then the machine wa man ni we have man send the go pa. Oh what my lady said the go machine is snap and send the go me. Now here we watching me send the go me. So what are you know opinion? In the machine got vibrates. A machine ni or he vibrates. Or they got vibrate a kiage. A kiage do took me muhere. A machine no go. Oh, se me na we Monahi. Oh, you know that's all you be. No, it's anxiety. Don't worry. A devil be. Oh my yeti we me rock. But se me na we machine ni you might need day. Hey, ono na ma no guana ona no wa hu okpe ana hu eka oki okpe ana hu agun ehu ni his life don't finish. That maker is always angry. He's not always, you can don't see Bush Lion, they're always they happy. Or in live video, na bully. Either you come bully foundation, or you not get the one way there. For how many years where Bush Lion dey America, you not get who he don't help with for his life. Now so bully they bully. If you so get foundation, you go say na 419. May you play the 419 now, whether it easy. You know fit play. You know let who get the do from one I do. You know let who not they do. He go always a bully everybody. He not get the one way they not get with the help. He come out that day. He say he want give person 2 million. Mona help me ask Bush Lion. He don't ever count 2 million naira for his life. That is about $4,000. Even though he does see and I picking money. Maybe that all those ones now. You know they pay school fees so he they brag. Say children they with her. Children they with her. You they pay school fees. How many years your papa spent for America before he can't carry you? How many years? You are just a learner. You also sue my children for a year. You will not say Vivian know they really they make maths. You are mad. Are you crazy? When they care, when I wake here, when they care and win, we are got to go on. I mean, you walk by the Latin, I know where at the mighty win. But oh, where a Latin and never mighty away. Any car over so and any the same problem. Mighty way only like a kia woo, mighty the kiane. Eke ye twin etegbemu e Bush Lion wa ke na o ye teku o ye twin woto wa mi woto se me we give me very equal dress very local o we wa mi e poto wo ma ke na we no were gbe o ma ke na we no were gbe o na se trousers e ko e ba ye se trousers e ko a o na wa se ko very local e gwa mu gbe very local man when wa mi na se le we ri mi o ma kin na we no we gbe o no se no ma na de doni but o ma ke ewe o so ni e o ni ma be doni because u pa ni o wa be re o ma ti we ninu we o ni na wa ewe o ma e pe wa o na wa be gbegbe bu o si oni ni a despite where are you we ga one of Boston e ki ara aru we potopoto carry e you we ni o ke yen we ye ki na yan gbinwe yen ma ke anyone can serve o ma e we ki ara ma ona so ago egun o se me na iwa sin yan se me na ha me we yen le boss ge o ma awa you know I be na e Bush Lion ma e we Bush Lion na ga bully ona ga bully o se me ona ga bully ona ga bully na we ni na hian to pun pe ima de gun ajo o se me na do tie me ge na we wo ya sunu we na explain menerere gba na ide ba mo ro pe na call Bush Lion be mata na ge gona do ta lo wa mi no ga ta lo e ba ni mi na ka wa we yo se me o made a mistake e gbo pe abi na ele yan yan o ho agbe ipe ani wa ta lo no break now we no these are useless men a useless men na tani a Bush Lion no useless men also anything face here do ihu ni look date enye wa lele ti le lo viedo because if viedo ija that's why we stupid one zero but he has wise if viedo okpa me bere when ya maje school but utie benia iya me yen na ya pe dia if viedo okpa me me the whole world iya je school we are keni ana a school ni ya jo maybe primary 6 primary 5 but yen wa me na ya tie be iya pe lia if viedo okpa no when ya wise say also Bush Lion cannot face the viedo our wa ena we a wa gboko na kweku ena like the matter e matter ni ma wa ye jesin ize gbe Bush Lion gbo na wo lo igan ona le o yi lo na we gbe be rise the matter last year ina we gbe like matter na volo ibi e yo to ona le ona we gbe rise hu e me hin wa mi na hu e ami e wo hu live video na time na wa gbe o dami gbo eke wa e we Vivian o mo na rubo paro a e lucky no we ure Nigeria e lucky no me ma we re mana ka afia o da pe mana come in court make a move we time me awa hweni e ba no na e ti me pe o no pe no me 10 years already the highest paper mana did you understand? Are you mad? Because you do all that video do brag mo e Vivian ogbudu we mi one me no. So let's listen to this stupid man.
You are telling me I should bring my pay stop for
exactly. You. Bring it out.
Your
Exactly.
I paid $24,000 in taxes.
Good one. Oh my God. Oh. Iki yete woni rake. Good one. I want to make one beg when you there. Who were you your message? You are not up to 40. You were born 1985. The last born man will walk by age. You may see me with your West. Do you understand? And now you are here bragging. You are not even working. Why can't you? Okay, what is pay slip? We are when you still low married, but you are still lady. What is pay slip? You can't even show your pay slip. You are here making noise. Quiet, my friend.
Kidding me?
Where we were. Are you mad? Are you crazy? You animal, you bitch, you fool, you idiots. Idiots. Wait down. Ex-convicts. Wow.
Huh? You think you just came here, Vivian, and I will wait that way.
Me makaleta. Me medare. But ni medare. Me no dare na ni me. Wait we're not better 30 years in everybody boasting. You will me ya you from their left, from their right. But me stand there like me. Me rewo now that one je me when working permit na eti boast e prove ire ma ya ari latiana. Wa agbe o. We ma be work bazo. We are me. Imara momo we la webo. I wise ni. Iye mi ni we me program life me. Aro salo panari ye measure because e come ma.
Somebody who support.
Oh, you people see this man problem. He's always obsessed with me. He wants me to call him. He wants us to be together. We cannot be. You are so dirty for my liking. What's supposed to know my model devil? Are you related to me? No. Did I know you? No. When I say I don't bring out 3 points, when I say no, say this guy is really obsessed with me. Are you mad? We look like mates. Are you crazy? You just spend 30 years, me just did 5 years. I fit teach you road. I fit show you road. You are mad. 2016, I did Nigeria. Where I just come. You don't enter live video. Who are?
If not my cousin, a Fosa.
My baby, I'll bet you a cousin, okay? Better even know why. A cousin where we live here, banana. Ah, God. Who born this man? Hey, who is you when you're supposed to have few beer one with bajo? Who is you when you were ladding? I want ya what to a year, I have way. Wafia, wag, belwe for our talk boy. A force I know ya love your cover high, not bebe of your robot. Akata no viede wa mi no ori bene o idiot na ona tore makata wa na wa kata je ona wa lo vie kakata na kata ni we no ige we God e kia le ro ona we him ona wa divorce guy na ona wa gbebe yo vie robo e bo vie ma mi e rudu hu dana social media pa na o me social media pa on and so social media pa na ziba o be ziba the family family lene e bo eni no kukwana family le no gbe page of your robo wa me won here talk boy onwe foster ne cousin we ni o here talk boy onwe jono sa again not won here talk boy onwe kolisi mu ja here talk boy onwe me na Vivian na here talk boy wa gbe ohun tan
who's just as useless as you. What I introduced a Fosa Otasovia, who's my cousin to a message Asowata.
Gunwe. But again, oh, here talk up, Benny. Up. I all boy. Oh, all that talk boy. Oh, talk boy. A jealousy here, boy. No, ya love your care. Or a cousin over 20. Oh, yeah, pay your where you pay me. Echo, marry again. Una ya love your care. We love your care, only you way you wash. Only now more one in a panawi you. Unzana. Social media pana where we were said be. Usual lenwera lenwe. Susu. Unza. Meso talk boy. Mene Vivian here talk boy. Go sa here talk boy. Jono sa go here talk boy. unwe kolisi mu ja kian togbo unwe bo ya fe no emuru obe o kian togbo e wa bo fie kun le lo e no fie kun le lo e na wa fie awo
Because only the only thing, that's the only thing you people know. The only thing in your head is sex, sex, sex.
Emi no wa ruhun we wa no. Exactly, emi no ruhun we. Wa ga gbon e. Agbon we no ri akinu we. Agbon we ri akinu we. We ado akon akon. Agbon we. Ori akinu we. Wow.
Vivian, on I will.
Ide ma. It depend you gaga. It depend you gaga kumekwa. Unwo kian talk boy push lion. Unwo kian talk boy. We make a foundation you know where if you don't answer. Ohama go make sure he can't hammer way. Bush lion, stay away from me. Because he got if I run it tells you. Your intestine, you will your wapo. That's why I be. Stay away from me one where your boss a kind of man. Awa. Where? Even though I did I shower. But I will do not marry a shower. Bueno. Do I not condemn? Bueno. Do I know who are? Bueno. Do I need your bashawo? Bueno. Do I need your bagwe? Bueno. Do I not be a bagwe? Bueno. Do I need who are? Bueno. Do I not frustrate America? Bueno. Do I not frustrate? Bueno. Do I not care? Bueno. Do I not awake here? Bueno. But again, you have fair no tag bona. Ya gba wo. Agbe o.
You were the first person who called my number. I don't know you.
Why did I call your number, idiot? Say it. I called your number to plead with you, to leave a message. Let her be. Beg away. Me, I'm not denying what I I don't deny what I did. Yeah, I called your number to plead with you, but you know who me. You know who really sway me. So, if you are not to deal with you. Are you mad? Who where an amigo he? No where an amigo talk boy. What bell? Who where an amigo he? Not the FBI. I bet to investigate you. Me when we are investigating me now for more than 2 years. You cannot even have any tangible things to say about me. Apart from Ashawo, apart from you don't have paper. Apart from this, apart from that, you are mad. You are just a confused element. Are you crazy? Did I look like your mate?
No, you from Adam. You called my number.
You don't know me from Adam, but you keep talking a lot of all these sorts of nonsense about me. So who is not confused now? For both of us now, who is confused? Who is the confused person? You are the confused person because you are mad, guy. You are crazy, idiots.
Next thing, I think you called twice, and the next thing I heard you ranting on social media.
Exactly. I was not ranting. What I said, get to you. Guy, I was not ranting. What I said, get to you, and I'm not still ranting. Did you understand? I am not still ranting. What I said, get to you, I'm still haunting you. You cannot, like, take it. No. Sometimes when you sleep, you did not sleep well. You say, hey, if you are going to you get quarrel where we scream. Ya buno wo we. Nera don't know me. Era no who ani. Come on, now if you dare my parents, I dare your parents. If you cross border to my children, if more way you talk. What bell?
If you got cado we Vivian.
O man need no cado we ma say no women no we marry no we na. Did you understand? You are a useless man. And any useless man bullying women on this social media. Mariano. Did you understand? Any man that is bullying women unnecessarily. Mariano. When me akawa ya son. You are a mad man. You are a mad man for saying that. Are you crazy? I've warned you, stay away from me. I will be me sure any way. Uga me sure any misery you worry. That is that too hard for you to stay away from me? Stay away from me, nigga. If you don't stay away from me, I'm going to bust your bubble. You are mad. Are you crazy? Exactly. That was about 2 years ago. And you have never even, like, you are still crying over it. You are still crying, lamenting for no reason. Exactly. Exactly. because I see that you are a useless man, and you prove to it that that is the truth. We're to talk all sorts of nonsense about my family. I don't care if you beg your parents in it. You know, we are here where only Morocco. Yeah, I did the same. You know, we're only Morocco. You know, if you beg your parents in it, where you are, where you are, sound and healthy. Are you mad? You know, the same thing again after 2 years. You are just a fool. Guy, grow up now. Are you mad? Why can't you go and look for a job? You're going to win. And stop talking nonsense on social media. Stop constituting nuisance. And stop blocking people's page. All bad fake accounts here, but one amion. Wow, let's go there. He's also bonnet. Where go? A yes on bonnet. A buy. A here ban. Whoa, where? Back to sender over and over and over and over again to you. A yes in my bonnet. Where I was. Where to stop ni vi me la me and because my entitlement. I'm equal to the task. Yeah, Vivian. Do you understand? Let me tell you. Oh, women already nursing school. Are you crazy? You think we are mates? You no say we both feel more kwa. Did you get that? Are you mad? And you see more born when you want that prayer is for your entire life. Where you are not been on a deport. You might wear me rock back. You might come and take can. Era vi jouer. Then era ye vi man say no is a lomi is a we are beg. Here deported. Wa gbe back to sender. I am a young I say. When I pull up and like, I'm a young push lion. I always say, wa gbe push lion no winner. Okbeani say we come when winner. Yes, I say can we ya. What they need information information so ni make ya because as local as you are, you have been in America for 30 years. You don't know that sometimes you just prefer men to be your best friend. We are friends, and we may hear no nikpa your daddy. Where we me Boston. A live video me awa age. Ihi awa kisse guy ni. Do awa hu ya koro. When go penu we ke tripping ni me. When ke like me. Where we begging me. You me awa ya kisse mo ye live video. Ya soon. Why are you following me? So to me you so to bear a shaping in it. So to bear we must say so te we beg on anime ya love ye ke ari wa we ahwe hian nta. Susu. No kiro no jila wa. Eke ani ya do. Eke atun eno Eki atun a bi eki ra no abi oki juwe no eki etun enu eki otun we no a ime na we ki ani for this anti na we ki ani eki ani na ya we ade ime eki ani ya we mi awa sere awa to tajo if video if send the egwe ya we ki ani we awa hu we ma ham we bi ati ayu we ga nu o ma hama we abeka filo yon o ma tema tama we de enye mere na le na wa gbe o te wi ye gbe aga no gogo nu mu jopa ekiani mi awa we me mana we mi ovi iwa khian dege ne maybe by me pa o vien son aladin o kian mi ya imana ime mana kwe wu oni sef ya be eyi apo na oni ya tamu oni o pa yare nu we. What's a young man of any care? Let them bring more information. Let them bring more. Now, where a list of men, we make one man, who are fence. Why stupid Bobo Clark?
Is this all you are about
Exactly.
Penis and more penis.
I can see his pain. I can see his pain. You know when you are in love with someone and the person know they look your side. My guy, how they be? They pain no. Mostly when you come here say, be like say that this guy they date. You are not sure. It be like say. If they pay, now they pay now so. You want to tell me. Since 2 years, you have never seen anything to hold me like this. I can't travel. Me and ma can't snap picture. You can't hear say, be like say that man they date. Not be say they see him. It be like say they tell him now he can't just come out and shout. Why will you do that? Why will you date that kind of a man? Why will you follow that kind of a man? Why will you even go? Your picture is everywhere. Picture of what? Bring it out. Picture of what? Bring it out. You see? You see? This guy is sick. He's sick here. He's sick down there.
Huh? You guys looking for how to survive.
Okay, ask me what it concern Anna. Let's assume say I dey look for how to survive. Muna help me ask this idiot, this moron, this frustrated element. What it concern? Did I complain? Shebi na me they come out for live video, I dey help people. Shebi na me they take care of my. As soon as see me, so I be like person where they suffer. As soon as just see me now, Muna talk true. I be like person where they suffer. Muna help me ask this guy what it be problem. I'm not. You are so ugly. You are so stupid. You are so. You don't get prick. I deal with men that have it. Are you mad? You don't get money when you want to give me. You will still get that thing. Are you crazy? What is wrong with you? You are just crying. Vivian date this. Vivian go this. Vivian put ring for nose. Vivian, why you go do this? Vivian, why you go shake your nyash? Vivian, your nyash is also this thing. Vivian, why you go do that one? Only me. Only one guy just dey follow me about. You see, he has a problem and I can't help him. I can't. I'm just living my life, trying to be happy. I'm happy, in short. But it's crazy. It's crazy monitoring me everywhere.
Vivian, your children were out of school for almost 2 years.
That one enter. Children, me, my children. Me where they carry pikin when me not get, I put on for school, I go pay school fees. Are you mad? My first daughter, she's in nursing school. When you gonna say yo? Every first daughter mokba, omoni mema bien me ba okay. Even me. This is a slap. Are you mad? Why are you talking nonsense? Even me, out of school. Me win ba. Me yeti. Iya we mune we ye rupa. Nishin ya ne rove ama we de nishin wa lekusu. Me no vie me e money me ma be Vivian ye school pay school fees. Even me, they will be out of school for what? You want money feed. You want money me feed them obian. Why you dey fool yourself? All these things when I dey do, so if you quarter and high, you go, I go prove am wrong to you. My name is not come out. I go prove am wrong. I go prove am wrong to you. Are you mad? My children out of school. How did you know? You just prove it that you did not even know me. Where is the proof? Talking is cheap, Talking is cheap. Bring out proof. That is the best. You are crazy. Me you came and you go no ma. Me. If you make a resume, me pay school fees yani. Iya ke resume. Iya me school. School me iya proud. Iya ke resume me pay ne. The proprietor say me ya me no pay one. Hell. The guy na my ni yaro ne show or see una making noise. If you know me, you know say this guy na big girl. Forget that thing, no. I know they come on social media, they brag. No, I know say I be brag. I they do my thing bosha. You know how many people I they give things? You know how many people I they take care of? Are you mad? Why are you lying? Fight me with the truth. That's why you cannot survive it. What I told you 2 years ago, when you wake up and say, God, this guy really killed me. You cannot survive it. And you have to survive it, guy. Because I prove it. You carry me go to place. I say, swear. Go and swear. Go ahead. If you feel alive against you, go ahead. You run. So why you can't come out for social media, can't they brag? Why are you bragging? Prove it. Are you mad? Azu I will tell what does o here ya does o wa adazo wa what does o
You were complaining
eh
how your mother maybe you were yari ho even no yari no yaki ani ya gba he we iki you were ho.
you see how confused he is. Owe imari igba iya gba o him ije me rigo. What we name in you we useless. Now we very go kishime. Ijime is it? Ijo no ki. Don't worry, go to see my mama. You go no say Vivian now. If you get gele one no I no be your mate. You just dey talk rubbish. Mama, anything when I send give and say mommy do this you go. My children don't grow. They not be 15 years, I'll be how many years where I go come they say, hey, what did mommy give you money? They go market by themselves. This December when I sent things go give me, my daughter tell me, say, mommy, I saw one shoe in the market, I like it. How much? Say 10,000. I said, I send the money give her. Are you mad? We are me make be where? Are you crazy? Wow. Well, if I'm aware that you can't if you well now when you posting picture, now when we can't post or who where. Na get money ram many can me na be post or email or in Nigeria we ya fe challenge ya fe ni die nu we mighty we no be 30 years in level now we had one challenge me no that we waiting me that fine but me ya go me na ya rio na god o also una surprise I don't get fuck you nigga. Let's go there. Bege of it there. Waiting any go ni me yet it on my way. Waiting any go ni me but the foundation we make is authentic. One at time. Because why even me Yahweh? If I have money to share, I share it. When we now, when maybe you want we're happy, the life away. Your life is miserable. When you want we're happy. Me money may help me money may help. So a prayer again oh blessing me. When one open we help. 2 million naira no large and worry no ma. Till today. I'm here again any 2 million marry if I bolla we be fake life you boo no fa wo hu ye fa. We ne wo ni awake here. Wa gbe o mo we ne kia we wu. Ibanu ze ye kia we wu.
At most, maybe you make $8, $9 an hour.
Jesus. Hey, guy now work $8, $9 per hour. Me that like webo, me make berani. Ila webo on me when I complain under 4 months and I'm making a supervisor. I dey tell una supervisor they pay me salary. Not beside the clock in, the clock out. I may be Vivian. A guy not married me that day, eh? You say me na health worker, fine. I dey aim for I me health worker no be me $9, $10. That one a cheeky coins now. Are you crazy? Hey, again now. When you na ohoana, so you figure agbon yaji. Eri okeleja dey abroad, that you take day. Now that one matter. I see your day, so you useless. You don't get anything to write home about. It's so useless and condemned. 30 years. And I papa can you know fair paper. If you want fair paper for this America, I can't tell now they play. You know it's you. But God do everything for me. Because my heart is pure. If your heart is pure, there is nothing God cannot do for you. Do you understand? If you know a fair paper for this country, not be free. You will know say you get less than $15,000. Not be lie. This guy, you don't ever see that kind of money for your life. He's so useless. He's so condemned. Like man today. When I don't ever see say this guy they fight man like him. He's always posting. If he see any foundation, anybody where they do foundation, he's always attacking them. You know they help. You not get the one way they for life. He's useless. You understand? But if you see anybody where they do foundation, you will attack them. If you want to do foundation, do it, but don't ask for donation. Let people do it with their mind. If they want to help you, let them help you. Do you understand? Me, why I say I want to do foundation, I know say I'm equal to the task. I know say I eat bellyful. If you not eat bellyful, you not fit give person. I mean the tell come. And me, the kind of life I live, I don't need to eat bellyful before I go fit give person. If I eat small, drink water, I'll give the people. So I still eat, I drink water. That's why I do my thing. This idiot. It's just obvious say you don't know me. You don't know us at a day. Just come out, don't begin to talk because you want to talk. All I be seeing here is prostitute. ashawo, you do this, you do that. And who be the real ashawo na im mama? Im mama was the head woman for Ogbagwe that year. Now Ogbagwe na for born her. I dey tell you. Now Ogbagwe for born her. Im mama na be the head that time for Ogbagwe. Yes, that is information getting to me today. Im mama. So let's go there. It remains small. Dot black finish. Continue, my guy. Yeah. Oh, go. We no eat that. We no eat when say a jacket in no jona ya hiyan. Na ya hiyan. David Loka. Hey. Iya wogi gbin when ya we talk we ya. David Loka se we e carry ya ma ya hwe. E carry ro amiken we amikia kama pagbe. Ojo se no na gwa lo me o be be me gun gwa na carry ya tengbe mu more inspiration no ye carry ya tengbe mu kere e carry full. How can that kind of a man be happy? Muna touch you. Una be man for year. Una not fit dey perform una job as a man. And woman come and tell you say you not fit do anything. You know you put machine and not be lie. If fix machine, the machine is still there intact. Anytime I tell rich Boston, I go use and do live video. I go see the machine from my hand. When it fits for a pre, but I better use hand glove. I better use hand glove. Because from here, me, I tell my mama, you get one leave that time. You here with your own egbe. They call on egbe to do if you want drive evil forces come on for your body. You go put that leaf for Edo State. You plug and get rid of the sound inside bush somehow. You plug the leaf. You put a native shock, that white native shock. You put on your soak for water. Any evil person will come near you. You use them. So you evil go meet her. I have to call my mom buy her. My mom buy her. I have to take it to Boston. I use her do my friend. Do our body. Now I make this guy the confused thing today. All the evil back to sender. Yes. Yeah, go barrier nahi. Àwọn ogo no na be do love ku we to be ti we ni ro pa o. Ono ma ge ya dani, we ki ama pa gbe. A machine in office, your machine in here. So now, mo kia we ahien worry. Igbe na kan. O je gbe kan ti today awake ya te gbe kin ya. Iya wa ahien. Igbe no kan wake ya kan we. O kan na. Eyan we igbe no kan wake ya. O kan we. O kan na. Because if you have a brain, the brain will send signal to your cassava. So your brain now know they work. How your cassava want to work? This guy is dead among the living. He's just walking corpse. He's just a walking corpse. He's just walking, but he's dead. He's dead spiritually. He's dead materially. He's dead spiritually. He's dead and otherwise. He's dead. Then that cassava not they work. Brain not they work. Confused and dead. That is why when you see anything come out of his mouth, negative. You know they get positive thing. Only positive thing where you don't talk for your life. Now when it come out, that TikTok girl where you say you want to give 2 million. Till today, that's scam. You not give her. You don't even get the girl number. You just can't use a bragado. Hey! Jesus Christ. When I be a monzo, I am a be a masse. Oi. Ere muere na agbon me, agbon ma ye me. Agbon ma me. Ere muere.
$10 to 10 hour. $10 an hour. Then you want to start foundation because Vivian I won't know say money dey foundation.
You be who me? Me, I know say money dey foundation. Me, I don't know. I dey do am because na my passion. That is why I don't sometimes who really dey collect money for foundation if una see am shebu una dey know. People where they donate for me, that they call me indoors. If you like what you are doing, can I give you some money to support? I'll say thank you. Because I spend my cash. I don't come out for donation. I don't even put my number out there. I don't even put my account out there. So this guy just they cry. You know they use ICU get foundation. You know the help person. You never get will help for your life. Apart from when you the cost person, if he give you super shots. That's it. If you want carry matter, I can't give you money, you can't help. There's one amazing. If he give you money. Now so now all those bad now they use the money they do. You know, be say get the money, like children money, but you know they work. Now they tell us say me go work. Now you think me run come Texas. Now you take run come Texas. You run come Texas, and you be like person wey no come abroad. Person wey be. I know as this America the system they be. You understand? Person wey dey America for 30 years. Now he can't come now. He dey Boston, Houston, Texas. He dey Houston. He dey Houston, Texas. He dey brother house there. He have nothing to offer. He's so useless, condemned, stupid. Anything you think of, na him. And is any bad thing, not be good thing. Now this guy. Oh, you want not here, Bona. That's so it be. You know, say when Mama Bekus not stay one place, they jump chopo. A month's one ya happy. Asia, it be a gano go back with that year. I know so all those women will do a shower that year for back with. They not be finished. Mama not be from Benin. Then he himself not be from Benin. Kenneth Ike, where that one day? Not the Benin. We not get that kind name for Benin. Do you understand? So now make it useless. In life condemn. All he do is to now women they follow fight. Why? Because they where they born and put. You know, say that year some women born for prison. So if the pikin not go feel with better person, go be criminal. I dey tell you now. Any woman will know say he born for prison. What you know? Think as that pikin where they born for prison be. And so pikin where they born for a shower as they be. They always they useless. If you see a woman, go to say that they be mates. Like this guy now, if he say we be mates, that make her they always they fight me every now and then. If you hear Vivian now, go begin the fight. You go beat me if I go out with me, he go verse put. If man talk to me, he go verse put. As I dress so, this thing where I put for neck so, one of the wash, you go come talk about them. This necklace when I put, go tell me say no, I not doing well. This earring when I put for my nose so, he still talk about them. These eyelashes when I fix, they look me all round. All round. What it be that? Joblessness. Jobless. Instead of me fix life, make it they useful to the society. They stupid. They crazy. Once if you sleep, you not sleep, we go say Vivian, I will make her find in trouble. Because I mean they make it prick, they raise head small. No sense how they talk to her so. If they happy, the prick go they raise head. Vivian, you mean I'll bust away. I'll bust a bubble. You waiting me the busting. The son man ya to tanya kiani. Ya wa unye. Ya unye ya video you were kiani unye. Bushayon. Da. Bushayon. Da. Bushayon. Da. Agbe o unzan. Hiao. Awo wolo. When get any my Becky and Mary, you wedge key one in your Toria ways. Hiao.
So the new scam office now and foundation. Imagine Vivian online.
Which one you get? Say they look down on me, Vivian now. And you said it before that you did not even know me. You didn't want that someone not worry away for 5 years. Oh, we're winning now, yana. Oh, we're laughing with Urigo no one. Oh, we do a pebble. Oh, we Vivian more. American image. Now, cost to we may no soon American. We oh, thank God you really excited with Diana. Ya winner. We are winner. Wa amigo. Joel Saige, thank you very much. Mona no verse. I know they read comment. I love you all. People with the comments is bad comment, good comment. I love you all. Mwah. I love you all. Mona know what I'll read down later. You see this guy? Hey, God. What thing that they do so they imagine. Not so I talk Vivian there. Oh, that. That one we just call yesterday. Now they do all these things so. You see, he can fight foundation. If you see anybody will get foundation, go fight the person. You know they give as he did this America, so he's useless. You know get help. I wish I seen there, so you don't build up family job for Nigeria. Free food, free education, free everything. You don't get the one way there. You don't get because you don't get. It's useless. So me we just come yesterday, I come they do one. If they surprise and say, this girl, what did he get? Now lie. You don't get anything. Very hopeless. See what way they talk.
That was an illegal and undocumented immigrant.
I'm undocumented. I don't have documents. So now I'm helping people. Why? For why? For what reason? You see how bitter he is. Only I follow my problem. I follow my stand problem. I pull earring from my nose problem. I put gold for my teeth. This gold na $200. Real gold na it be. Problem. I laugh. Problem. I shake my ash. Problem. I come out. Problem. I fix eyelash. Problem. I do my hair. Problem. What I do? It can be love, but sorry, guy, I don't love you because you are a stupid man.
Now even forming a foundation.
For me, I'm not for me. My foundation is registered worldwide. If una governor decided to close Benin today, I'm saying it now wide and wide, I go anywhere. My foundation is registered in federal and state. Are you crazy? I'm not the phone foundation. You understand? If I have money to throw around, it's my money. I work for it. I throw it around. I don't come out and say, come and donate. Look at my account number. People should come and donate. It's not by force. People that really know what I am doing, they call me indoors and put money in my account. I never come live video for more than 4 months. Apart from this time now when I do, apart from maybe January when I do just 30 minutes video. I stay indoors for 4 months. That's the way they find money for foundation was saying out for like that. No, you go come and begin the house of donation every day. Me no, they come. I mean like big girl. You dey crazy. I be big girl. I with the chest down. Me and my vest, we are equal to the tax. Money when we spend for children this year, you also hear the cost. Are you mad? 1.5 million. We not come out contact say, you should come and raise fund. Now lie. With the walk, with the chest down. You dey crazy. Because I know they tag gele. I know they do all those. No. You see this small gold when I put for my neck, so come put this costume. I'm okay. I dey go. I dey move. I know they roar. I know they get mad. When some people will come out, only my lace fit build 4 flats. My guy, my people, my tell now, this time my person even build 1 room. Congratulate that person. You know how much for bag of cement now? You know how much for trip of sand now? People will build their house 10 years ago, 15 years ago. They don't know what God do for them. Mona go they maintain that house. Mona go they maintain that house. Because it's not easy. This time, if you get 10 million, 20 million, 30 million, you know they build better house again. Depends on the house where you build. House they expensive now. Everything times 4. If you build your house that time, you build down 5 million. You go no say this time that kind of pattern where you build though. Not be say they rain now. That this time now you know say that house now not 25 million naira. You know how much for bag of smiths? This idiots not feel no because you not build that once. You don't even know how they do. You want use me play me Vivian. I know they like to come live video, come like say person they brag. I know they like and that is why they hide myself. If I shoot, go make bow. Like me. You go make pikin white before you enter abroad. Now man no go treat you, now woman no go treat you. Now you go know what you do. This idiot, when papa carry come at the age of 10 years, where they stupid, so you don't know he left from the right. You don't know anything for life. You know that to define where Vivian enter. Who Vivian day with, who Vivian sleep with, who Vivian not sleep with, who Vivian stand with, who Vivian eat with. Now that one be work. You people can see for all they talk since they come. When I see how it be. Stupid man. Stupid man.
What is the height of stupidity among Edos?
Because you see, among Edos, because we decided to help the people back home. Now we are stupid. You see, when I see this kind of person, how I say nedo. This kind of push line, I say, oh, he me lock in way, I say, because anybody where they do foundation now, in that stupidity. Did you see that? Did you hear that? Because he cannot even do it. He cannot even afford it. He's surprised that fear that just came 5 years ago. Because I know what I am doing, guy. You understand? I go come just to open foundation and they give money. They do. Which kind of tip? That they pin and one. All na quality, please by all means. And that on your way and ya key. You know, walking ya key bush line. And when any Yahweh. So how we go never me what like a foundation 200 they got it to say you wrong. Do you understand? So we cure who we cure where any Yahweh ni na go na be who ni aya so ki we be so work where you. Ni na dele bene mo tele pattern ya tele lekpo ni ya distribute be or work pa we sinya bo we find sinya bo we no. One notebook ile do na is 200 naira. Ekpo na the least bag no he say is 2000 naira. Emino you go and do your own. Go and do it. It's easy. Because who said you go nivo? Wana miwe, we are miwe. we not be me now because when we born am you. One other America. One am you. We me. Mo Vivian in na. You understand? Wa gbe ohun tan. Yaun.
Vivian on a when it no.
On your pa. O ta su gba 200 in a sin. Me now ta su when we give no you. O there. Ah, God, this girl, as I love this girl, she just go carry her, go give another person. Why are you crying? It's my body. He waiting me here, busting. If we are anywhere, we may yale ni mi awaya. Ya to tayo. Ya is a one we come a video. You were pushing your girl. We wow. We snapper. Ya window seat. Window seat. Wow. Wow, feel.
Classical example of what they call Ipiariano.
I want to go with that. Or dawa, only he there. Hey, when the year say, bless Vivian, I did this guy. Vivian did this. Hey, what dash in more. Oh, what taxing. Igbiagiano go. The junction in the not be no Biagiana or Marquetta. Wow, is when no Biagia, my son joy where. Is when no what Biagia, no what you Biagia. Ian your what gia. The henny with the backward. When might is soon joy where. If I don't have a pure or now, Juana. Atiti ma say wait to any atiti ni wa boela we gbe nu won atiti e to gbo e nu e fian hu unzan accident e gwo we ri fo a wa we gbe sun won atiti won kun gbo e o gbero gbisu e won atiti o to gbo e we mi okunu e la jan we ki atiti ma win na wo yin o wo pa no e ki awe ma go and fix your life and fix your prick wa gbe o
You are nothing but a dog. You are a bitch. That's what you are.
Yeah, you are a bitch.
B-I-T-C-H.
Oh!
That's what you done. That's what you are.
Bushlion is in love with me, oh, just a pain now. He's in love. You tell person the truth. I swear. Say I love that lady. You are mad. I cannot love person like you. One, you don't fit my category. Right? Just that you are black. Fine, I like black guys. You might like Okbano for 4. Yes, I like black guys. Fine, that one. But you are stupid. 2, you are too ugly. 3, ekia ni wa first thing because when you measure, Okbano eri mekia ni wa no. 3, you are so disrespectful. Do you understand? You have to have respect. 4, you are lazy. Go and work. I cannot be working as a woman as you. You are sitting down at home. You understand? You are sitting down home, lazing around. No, I can't take that. I'm a working class woman. You are supposed to be working. In America, once in a week, maybe I will hire money every night, or hire day and move. Or once in a week. But a social media na me all the time. Every night, then social media, I'm very useless. So you cannot be in love with me, guy. You understand? I choose my men wisely. You cannot be in love with me. You are so ugly for my liking. You understand? So I deal with. I don't. Even though the man not handsome, but he go get brain. You not get brain. You not get prick. And you not get money. You are poor. That make you feel say people say they 5 years for America not feel make am. Me I don't make am. You see that course where you course back to you. Are a fool, learner, idiots. Let's go there.
I'm gonna reserve some.
No, don't reserve. Then what is reserve? Let's go there. Pour it out. I don't have to look for you. What's the information now? Any yaru work beni ayak bowe. Awekia. Wow. Mo we ne kia we. Mo say banu zo ye kia we yawo. Wa change ne ba maybe ne kia we consider e do yin winner. Ma where your gun e ti yin winner.
I will be back on Saturday. So Vivian Bolewo.
Today is Saturday. Is it back? Is it back already? Nah. Lena, Manga, come out on Sunday. I'm here. I will still be out.
I have more juicy things coming. I'm just not going to talk. I'm going to make sure.
They know you cannot talk. What women get a guy. If be my right, is sick up there. It's mentally deranged. I can see that. Bush lion is mentally deranged. That's why he's not functioning well in there. That's why he prick die. Because once your brain cannot function, your prick cannot function because the brain sends signal to the prick. I can see that, and I don't even know what it is. Egbe mai re ma gbade mu hen do tanu mai kata. Ashawo we wati me sine no po mari adu ma meri akmonta. For more than 2 years, you could not even find Vivian on Iwo out. Ah, oga him. Baba God, thank you for the life you make me to live. Exactly. Wow, I don't know. Where I will not say much. Enu kiata. The way warrior more video no me say Boston the period ni me aya we kiani no we was so bana. Yeah, what to tajo. Yeah, what the video is sent the ego. So I will have video next time. What I show look at her, look at her. Stupid, look at her, look at her. Prostitute, look at her, look at her. A shower, look at her, look at her. Help me a show. So that why I have viewers. You say you do this video now, you go delete it. Why? You don't get viewers. Everybody they insult you. You are just a dumbass. Damn it.
Back my tongue with my actions. And please, if you are out there, let me beg you.
Oh man, no, who am Masha? If you are walking, go get me gay with him. Don't know why I think. So look what they ba washa. What settled down. 1 hour away. 1 hour if you say, God, thank you.
Learn from the people who are actually successful. Are actually successful.
When you were Virginia, you are not an example of a successful person. So they don't have anything to learn from you. You are not a successful person. So what are you talking about? They should learn they should learn for people on ground who are on ground. You are not even showing a good example. You are not a successful guy. I cool about another successful. So what are you talking about?
Don't come out and start fighting people like these newsers. Vivian on Iwo.
Oh. On the
Vivian Iwo misplaced her priorities.
How? A guy now so work besha. Mavi don't want no space. Again there. E push on your live video 1,000 okay. Me live video again. Again na, here if you look gbegbe. Also on alle. Pe oriye. Obe mo fe scap you hu man. Adi ha me work yan gu me kwa no mo fe scap you hu. They don't. I say better plans. Which plans? Hey, Bush Lion is condemned. You know what it is? If person condemned, might they be? You know they let repair again. He useless. He personality on live video is useless. Like me, they know say Vivian they do live video every day. But if I do, I they get my viewers. It's not easy to not come out for live video for 4 months and you will come back, you will see person will go watch you. It's not easy. Now me be Vivian. If I do saga. Now, no, we say flag that first video, just like flagger. I don't know how many viewers did that time. See this one at 100 or something. He flagged 3 times. He tired and he rest. He agarre 105 times to flag it. He turn it to row one. He pay you, me no. He turn it to row one. He pay you every month. Say you pay a phone bill. Man. When you go to pay, or is it no man you pay bills of $1,400. $1,400 every month. Calculate how much with that. Close to 1 million naira every month. To say easy for person to do. You go fit Chester. You wait don't spend 30 years for you. You go fit Chester. Me not that. Or one Nigeria again. You marry locate. You by le. You might be homeless or easier. What do I really make go? Maybe I know what I did do. Not be you way useless. Then we like gbegbe and eri to penny everywhere no wa be ho everywhere they go everywhere don't dey homeless we are we bo ya mo eke gbo beg the streets aya po left a junkie place cause a family wa yan we ri yan we ti wa ya o wa kiju we ke ya igbe aga bi gbe adia family
popular jingle. Not even the social media, those social media are popular jingle. Vivian on that I have a project coming up in Houston by July.
Yeah.
If you were good enough, yeah, we're at
another obsession. When you were they all inviting me now. Oh, what that? Why you go do this kind of thing now? Why you go stand this boy now? No, long Matt, welcome. I love you too. Don't worry, our program will soon start. You get what I do? I don't finish that one now. I'll soon start our program. Could you imagine? You say he want to do something. Now, like you, and Matt today. You don't get it useless. You don't get what you want to do for Houston. Can you see Kevin? That never would do me around to Houston. Me, you know why I relocate out there, you see. Oh, we was to 4 hours drive. I say, what? What better? What maybe you can't no maybe no can. Ona me do I invest in my life with you. Vivian, you are that push now you like you. I know because the way they talk, I know. I know be small beginner. If man like you, the way go they do, you go know. You get how God they push now now so no sha or come be.
I would give you one room and I would have given you a job.
Okay, Ubege me nota. Ubege is promising me now. You got ye one room me. Ye the win now. Many do see Kenya. Ya ata about wama we me ni meta. O we me ni here o we Houston. But me go me no wo unu oshi. Eri ya wo wa okay no. Another worry. Ye ke ya balance or it's another one je. Eri America je. Ware man I say smart. Ye man smart na. Also 2 years okay balance. You know wa vie batalon here. If you ebu also. Or when you are day, there that way maybe me na over here. Iya invite me. Ye be one room. Ye be win na me. Yeah, how with this guy? Oh, come on, why I love that lady. Oh, we men no so na table ni gele ni tripping eh. But what o come from men ya. Come we dey say ye kire.
Foundation.
What done
What
here?
is the height of stupidity among Edos?
What done here? You see ye kire.
Height of stupidity. Vivian on the when it be no that's way. You are a classical example of what they call no. The one I mean that you are nothing but a dog.
Okay.
You are a bitch. That's what you are.
The pain now. Ah, this is pain now.
BITC.
To say how this girl.
Dog.
The pain now.
That's what you are.
Exactly.
Wow.
Era visual.
Reserve some till
Don't reserve anyone. Say it. Era visual. Issue any or I shall watch
because I have more juicy things coming.
Oh, I no ata eboje juicy term. You are so stupid. You have any juicy term in your life? What done you?
With my actions. And please, if you are out there, let me beg you, if you are out there and you just move to a society, learn from the people who have been on ground, who are actually successful. Don't come out and start fighting people like these newsers.
Mommy, don't want to commit nuisance with social media. I'm not touch you. Me and all they commit nuisance. Not being. Now they block people page. Now they parry animal put for person head like bush lion. Now they do one for them. If you do and finish, you go post and give them.
Not even the social media. Those social media are so popular jingle.
No, now listen. They don't reach the place.
I have a project coming up in Houston by July.
No, now listen.
If you were good enough,
Did you hear that?
I would give you one room and I would have given you a job.
Did you hear that?
A job which I would have given you. Very soon I will also be talking about that business that I'm going to be.
He not got any business we want to. He said, make I come. He go give me one room. He go give me a job. When I go to town, I say, this guy is just so in love. He don't know how to say it. That's why they always they fire me. If you don't see me for a while, he go bring out posts. So that man come at me. As he see me so, when I was saying body go cool. He don't still see me. He's so stupid though. Very stupid man. You know, hear what he talk. He say, what he want to, I wish me they talk to around where he go for come. He go come give me one room for a house. Where he want rent. Where he never even rent to. Then he go come give me job, join her. That's how they find work. Or that's how no guys where they stay. Now don't now tell no say Vivian really talk and say this guy just dey in love with her. Not be he tell person, not be lie. He tell person. Una say now, see wetin they talk. Person wey you say you no good, you want give am one room for your ass. You can't still give am work join. You see am?
No problem. We'll get there when that time comes. I would have given you a job. You will not if wait.
You hear am? He talk am again. I no put am go. I no carry am go back. Oh, he repeat am again. He when I no fun me, that means he me again now. Ma fun me. Now see, that the wetin dey pay now be that. And he come here say, if you go Boston, he and one man come go party, how you and one man come snap, how you and one man come hold each other. The thing pay now. Go say, I go disgrace this woman. Wetin me dey hide since how many years? Now, you don't go do it. Now they pay now nothingness. Now here where they repeat am, he go forgive me room. He go for I wish me do where I wish me they respect her. He go forgive me room. He go forgive me work join. Me go for day ass. Una hear am? Una no hear wetin I dey talk so. Hey! He said because of my character.
Go and buy a car of 2010.
I know they will drive 2010. Liar. Driving Nissan is more than 2010. So see life. I even post them when I go check the year.
At the age of 16. I was 16 years old when I started driving.
Una hear? That means una see wetin I dey talk. 10 years old, wey papa carry am come. He was 16 when he started driving. And you cannot drive at the age of 16 here. At least for people 17 and 18. You can have your driver's license, you can go to driving school. You see wetin they talk. Una tell no say he don't come America before he start to do all those things. 10 years, especially when they carry consistent years. So in life miserable. Miserable. If they beg me, may I come. May I calm down. If they used to beg me now, may I calm down. May I come in house. He go give me one room. Me where they operate how many rooms for you. I won't go push on your ass. You can't give me one room. You can't give me work. I'll come camp. Nasia, don't they confess with your maths? Push on you. You wait to our ho. You wait tapping. Wow, when wow, and wow, radio.
Then you buy the 2010 car. And you have the effrontery to put it on Facebook.
So, did you hear that? I have the effrontery, my own car, when I buy with my money. Mona go that year, that car come out. Mona see how much I take the seller. Mona you put and say, not be new one. Mona new one too cost. Mona carry and say, Mona see how much. Where they go put for that car. He said me have the effrontery. Car where I buy with my own money. Mona see this now. Is it normal? I don't say not normal. But I don't say it was rich like this. It just was said. Anything when I do, they irritate her. You for come do it for my ass. You for come call my ass. You for come call my ass. I'll give you one room. I'll come give you work. Hey, Jesus Christ. And I mean, they hear all this one. Because the video, I just thought I don't go listen to her until today. I forgive her to her. See her.
That was when I started to figure out, like, what the fuck is this? What looking at that?
Yeah, no.
He wanted 2010.
No. Let's assume we wait 2010, no? But my car passed 2010. Let's assume say like 2010. What it concern? I put on for live video. Now my own money where I work, not be man dying for me. What it concern this man for inside? He not showing you the one way he gets, he not showing. But they pay now say me put my own out there. Could you imagine? Hey, God, I want with man, Ariana. What was it?
Maybe 1,500 at most, maybe 5,000.
Jesus Christ. At 1,500 at most, maybe 5,000. Go that car by yourself. I don't need to tell you how much. It passed 5K. Go on. Did you understand? Go it yourself and see how much I bought my car. You think I'm your mate? You dey Chris? Could you imagine? You say at most 5,000. You know the shame. Person way come America 5 years ago, if he come 5,000, come and buy car. Almost 2 million plus. Are you mad? How much more say my car passed like that? Go it is Nissan Emirates. Go it out. 2011. Go it out. Me just to tell you now. Are you mad? Go how much is the rate right now and see how much I will tell you. Idiot.
This is my new car.
They pay now too. Did you see that? You don't say wait, they follow me. When I post my car, I don't call bush line on me. If I piss, you go there. Me see the color. If I poop, you go there. Me see the color. Mona ask me when I post my car, did I call his name? Because he cannot afford that kind of car. He cannot. I sign started. You get remote. Make go go amount. I don't already tell now. Nissan Emirates 2011. Go and go it out right now and tell me how much is it. This animal. I post car, it can't be a problem. Now my money, my hand-earned money, I work for it. When I they work in the video, the pork nose, me they work. I post car now, it be problem. Yeah, you want post him in the care where to we are work or push I not be your mate. I not be your mate. Era vi jouer no hoa. No eti bi omo no hoa de nuje. Ogun hin agbera ogbi jouer. Ogbegbe we ya fefe fo gbejo wa o. Ade rani e family rani no HIV gbele ni era ire ke no leyin wiwa. Uwa agbe o era vi jouer ogun hin agbele yan. Ija, o bien na kan ve me voma. Iba bo la we gbe wa o hoa. How?
I gonna feel. That was when I began to wonder the kind of upbringing this girl had. Like I said, okay, do we are here tomatoes in the kitchen.
Exactly. But those salobana do we married do. Have you made do market tomatoes for your own information. You market tomatoes in the do. I have my own shop. I was selling cosmetics with one attachment, all these things, all these beauty things. I can be able to count 1,400,000 to do everything that I here America. For me to be able to count that kind of a money. Well, over your how we got do. And now we are a conductor. You are be a conductor if you are being there. Era no hoa. Ni wa boa mo no mu we are America. No do a constitute nuisance. No mu we are America. No do hoa. There we. No mu we are America. We are frustrating, eh? You understand? Oh, we are frustrating, eh? Mere do me market tomatoes in one day. He made go never near a basket of tomatoes. If that video a foundation in make here, then I'll be doing it for a long time ago. Do you understand? So I'll be able to. I was a big girl when I was in Benin already. Just by I don't have a house, I don't have a car then because I don't want to buy. Because I have a vision. But I was okay. I was contented. Do you understand? I was a big girl. For somebody to count out money to come to America is not easy. You know I'm not when you go to visa figure. Do you know? You don't know. Because they're where you're always your wobo. You when you going to with passport, when you going to pay a visa fee, when you going to the tickets, when you going to die you more. But you mad. You might borrow you go no. So you are here talking nonsense. The America, I'll see they do well for Nigeria. Are you mad? I just come here because of my children. What I was supposed to know I bus conductor. Atiti maso we. Atiti no eti strong go. Ona le Morocco lawa. One say eru wo mu we ye ohoa. Atiti ma ohoa. At least atiti ye le miaro okpa no mu la wala be movie lawa. Then to we ma biele ya America. If you wear ohoa, in ya pocket picker. Because we ohoa, we ye le bia we ahia wekia. Because I know no mu we nu we. Wa gbe o unzan won atiti o togbo yan atiti ma se we egbe Vivian we na won ri atiti tie we do won la re nu kuku awulo una le una ya yin yan we koko una ya akole una ya yin yan egbe Vivian we na won ri atiti ya ma so we am vio e yo pa isha o ma gbon we hi we na hear yo wa I hear you wa ne yo wa Ole Morocco, wow, hoa. They don't like your way. Oh, where I mess a guy man of go to hear your bed. When I get some by me, and as I get change your bed spread. A 4 minutes I move for. We are here your bed. Also, I care when I tell you because I hear all la wow, bell,
those other ones. Those are my children on social media.
Go. I'm not be over here. Firstborn girl is 15 years old. No guana. First child again up here. 15 years on a tower ya ovino. I go father when in way. Or are you we say no where father? You are a boy. We say father.
But I choose to ignore them.
Right.
And it is just
He choose could you imagine? He choose to ignore them, but he choose to answer me. You understand? He choose to answer me, but he choose to ignore them. understand? He choose to ignore them, but he choose to answer me because another one he like it all going, he like it all my face. Vivian organo no say. Omona guera vijemu oga. The only gorgeous, a goddess to him, a goddess. And when I wake them when in boy. Did you understand the goddess? When a goddess in him, but me a goddess in him. Are you mad? If you touch me, they'll cut your hands. Are you crazy? You come when I hear that be a bishop, you are a rat. A bishop, a covon, do you get that? So you can just be in love with me for all I care. I don't give a fuck. I don't even see you. Because you are just a daft. You are a dwarf. You are stupid. You are useless. You are condemned. So I don't deal with condemned elements. You are an element and you are condemned. So I don't deal with you. So carry on.
Different, and it is just a psychiatric patient.
Atiti is more better than you. Atiti is more better than you. Atiti is a man. Atiti is a function man, not function. Where if Atiti carrying winner, but all way. Oholadian and walk way. Only a lot of massive. Oh, where America can wear oh, even attitude, and attitude, where to wear. That attitude, what it is America, sure, what attitude, can when I zele boy, I'm a man with Zelena, attitude, a bitty way answer. Are you mad? Where can we, Jenna? Agmoya only a rema, wherever an ohoa, uzwa, a bomb wow, berry way, America wahawana. America hawa. Because you don't have anything to write home about. You are just so useless. Fighting unnecessarily. Immature element. Immature boy. You are just an immature somebody. You are not a mature man because you are an idiot. Wado kume kwa. Irivi ashawo geledwe. Ijwe ne first class bagwe woman. Me. Carry on. Gwatiti gwan because wa gwatiti gwan when I yak be ma. Wa ari oko won titi o togbo e. Wa fin awun dan.
Deficient. That's just a fact. And it is psychologically deficient.
You are a mad man. Atiti is better than you. You are the one that is mad, not Atiti. Atiti know how to show appreciation. Atiti know how to respect women, except you cross his path. But where you are so disrespectful, whether person cross your path or not, you are just annoying. You are so disrespectful. You don't know how to treat a woman. But Atiti know the respect or the who were swore.
Saturday, I'll be back. Saturday.
You don't do live video since.
It's Saturday.
Shebi say Saturday go be back because say me talk say me go come out on Saturday. Me if I talk something I go do am. You we me Latian me dey worry me we be to Latian. Latian une war. I wake ya one of the universe. Latian no fit say me here kia. Then when we fit say me say o ma yet if ye ku. Ofo. Push lion. Iwe a spinach no way there. Owa meze, ohi anwe, ohi atogbo. Uwa meze ohi atogbo. Uwe eni no we la loni. Uwe meze no we la loni. Nuna sie, ave ni ya fefefe no ruhe, una sie yerere. Uwe rere weni, ohi asie nene yo wegbe. Agbo we de gbe ma we bariana. They no ma me we bariana, they ohi ave ma we bariana. Iwa pohi la wegbe. Wa ye kia we kinekun. Bẹ́ẹ̀ Vivian náà wẹ̀ wá kí na ogún hìá gbéra gbèsù ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yìí ṣúwẹ́ náà wà mú wẹ̀ náà wà tó tà ọ̀rọ̀ wà ní ẹ̀wẹ̀ yóò tọ̀ ọ̀ wà yàwẹ̀ ẹ̀sà yàsí ọ̀ yàwẹ̀ ẹ̀sùn òbò náà dá ọ̀nà gò ẹ̀wọ̀n ọ̀nà tó wà sùn ọ̀rẹ́ social media ọ̀nà gò ẹ̀wọ̀n ọ̀nà tó hìá news náà sì lè social media oṣù ẹni òun hìá yà tẹ̀ ogún hìá gbéra ogún hìá gbèsù ẹ̀ wà fi hàn wò ń tàn ń sùsù mọ̀wé ní kí àwẹ̀ ẹ̀wìn náà mẹ́sì èsè yù wẹ̀ gbé à. Messi say you get baby bush lion. Oh, we be. Abi. Okay. My people, I want to show now. This make I tell you the way America they work. If I show now, I'll cover my address and I'll cover my name. Because this idiot, they dare me. This is me and I meet. Yeah, I'll not be met to. He just the America here is useless. Our first one, the first one for 2018 and 2000 this year. If you dey America, might tell you a few things because I will lecture people later. If you dey America, if you new come, you do your papers. Maybe you put your paper in for immigration. They look into your case, say your case dey okay. You dey okay. Person where you marry, you dey okay, you not get any crime. Like he said, if you marry person where you get crime, you can never get. Because they go use that crime, say, okay, this person not dey responsible. They fit give you, but it go take time. Listen. So if they want give you, the first time when they'll give you, after all your papers are complete, this one will not be saying na money. You have to pay, not be saying that change. At least if you want file in, you will hold less than 2,000 something for only filing in. I'm just saying. So after they don't agree, so okay, they want to look into your case. They'll first bring what they call working permits. You understand? That working permit, now 1 year. That 1 year, you feel use and work. Then you will feel you can go do your driver's license. You can't get 1 year driver's license. Then if they can't look into your case, maybe after 2 years or after another 1 year, depends on your case, stay fast. They can't decide to give you 2 years. Do you understand? Then if they give you 2 years, that 2 years, you will feel use and go renew. Because before they will come, if they first give you that working permit of 1 year, if that working permit expire, that means your driver's license will expire. You not go get again. Then if they can't decide, say, okay, they want to give you paper, depends, so they can't give you 2 years. You will go do another driver's license, they'll still give you 2 years. Listen. Their highest paper where they get for you is 10 years. If you are a citizen, you are 10 years. You don't get another one where they give. 2 years and 10 years. The 1 year not be paper. Now just for you to work and for you to hope, say, okay, your paper go soon ready. Now that one be that 1 year. That 1 year, you don't feel use and do anything. Do you understand? So if they give you, if they want to give you, either they give you, if you don't be their citizen, you understand? If they give you 2 years, if you don't be their citizen, they'll give you 10 years. So if you want to go do driver's license, if they give you 2 years, now 2 years driver's license, they will give you. They not will give you pass like that. If you don't get their 10 years, you understand? They'll come give you 10 years driver's license. I also now understand. So me want show now my own driver's license when I dey use now. I'll cover my name, I'll leave my face, and I'll cover my address. Then I will leave the expiry date for una. Una see the year where they write put. Then I will use and get una brain the paper when I get. Where this animal they talk any so. So let me do it. So I want to try cover my name and the address. So I want you guys to, I will leave the driver's license place, the driver's license. Then I remove my nails. I want to remove my nails so that my nails not cover. I want to see. I want to look up. This up here. Una go see driver's license. Now see my picture. Now see my picture. Then una see my picture, abi? Then I want to look this driver's license for up. So then I want to look the expiry dates. Now I show so this place and the expiry dates. Now they say, Muna check the expiry dates. Muna check them. The expiry dates. Check it. I just leave them there so that if I want screenshot and I'll screenshot and see my driver's license. Check the expiry dates. Now see them. So I call them for now. The expiry date will expire 2029. When we did so? 2029. Now my driver's license won't expire. Exactly. Thank you very much. That is my driver's license. For me to get this kind of driver's license, when it won't expire 2029, now I know say everything don't complete for my hand. Muna leave that idiot me they talk. Now he's stupid. Me want prove out to now say now he's stupid. 2029, not be 2006, 26. No, it's 29. Now it go expire. The expiry date. At the time when they take insurance, the insurance, he left. Like I just need go renew. Na me want renew. Me, I did the drive they go since. But I know driver's license. I don't want go because the stress too much. No, say because of this coronavirus. When they want give me, they give me 2029. Mona calculator. Mona know the paper where they with me. Now they take give me this thing. Mona not understand. So that is it. I know be fool. Now he be idiot. Now he don't know me. Just they talk. If they not how they talk, I don't get paper. I don't get paper. You don't know the way I take day. Because it's not easy. Not be like, not really easy. People did this country, they did 20 years, 15 years, 10 years, 30 years, they don't get paper. Now make how they talk and say I don't get. Me we just come. I come and never 5 years and 2 months, but I get the paper. We get it wait there for how many years? The highest paper for you is 10 years. 10 years. Now this idiot they dare me. He bust away. Are you crazy? Make a show on my 2008 on. When I was saying that 1 year now they give me for that one. I come America 2016, 17, 18. That 17 where they give me. I don't that 17. Now I'm married. I come 16, I marry 17. I make on the pay now. I go marry. What you call sign? 17, I don't marry. 18, they don't give me my working permit. Now I go do this passport. Now say I say difference day. I want show now. My cover the address and the my still leave the expiry date. Una go see. Una go see. See the expiry date. Now I leave there. See me. See the expiry date. That day I carry wig put for head. They say my come out and I make my hair rough. See the expiry date. 2018. Una see Texas ID. Una see say different from that one when I show. Since 2018, I don't get my driver's license. I come more than 1 year. I don't get my driver's license. Now me the runner. All that 5 years, everything don't complete for my hand. Now not say I say the swear way it does swear, it don't go back to her. It don't go back to her. He say his first son at 15 years. My own first daughter don't pass like that. Are you crazy? Your pikin say me you shut up. Say he never reached 16. I don't just want to disgrace you just now. But do imagine. You did say me and you na mates. Say you go for show me how they do. You go show me road. I too smart. I know they come social media, come they brag. For a man now, be those kind of women we go call or throw away children from Nigeria. They'll come here. They don't know where to carry they come. Before you open your eye close and my children go there here with me. Now my entitlement. If you be wish, go stand for all. You not fit there and I government. Now my entitlement. This is my paper when I get, so I feel use and bring my children come, bring my papa, bring my mama. Now me. If I want born as I did here since 5 years, I for don't born. I don't want to become my children now come on for us. So. Do you understand? I don't come here, come the craze. Leave my children. My children, they are doing well. They know they lack. To see my first daughter, you go surprise. Say, hey, Vivian, are you born this kid? The second one, the third one. I know they play. I smart. I fight for them. I get everything. If I want to carry them come tomorrow, and I want. I just leave them for some time. I know why. And very soon they will be here with me. I will still see them for live video. I know they talk. I know what they do. Under 5 years, I did country 5 years, but I don't get their highest paper. Not be your guy be. You they Chris. This say I call America, I call they Chris. I know they do live video because they don't get what they want to give me for live video. I know as I say they get my money. I know as I say they also my life. I know I be very smart woman. Now me go teach you bush rats. Now me go teach you how they take the do one. So that make your light shine. You they wonder. This one where you just come. You not get anything. It's not even documented. You think they are stupid, yeah? For them to give me, grant me. We are in 2022. I don't already get. God, I know fish shots. I tell you that they say, I dare you bring your bali. bring your passport. If I don't see my 10 years bring, you go know say I be fool. I dare you, do not do anyone. Do this one, no. Do this one, no. You not get anyone. Me, where you they dare, me they bring my own. You not fit bring. I show my car, show your own, no. I bring my pay slip the other day. That was last 2 years. You not see show. I show my driver's license that time. Over how many years? You not fit show. You come here now, they talk, I not get paper, I not get paper. Should be I don't still show you now. Say you wait, get 10 years. You know, maybe you all know if I even reach 10 years, or maybe they don't even collect them for your hands. The highest paper for America na 10 years. The highest. You not get any other paper where they want give you na 10 years. The highest. 2 years they don't pass that level. You know so I say me and you not be mates. When you they come, I come meet you, may you come. Now me go show you road. Go where oh. If I meet oh, I'll get the oh. Oh, you look me like person when you don't know what they do. You look me like that. My children, we are okay. Children when are born for a year. Not be everybody or some children for a year. They fans, they want to carry them go Nigeria. When they go, they don't get respect. Me as my children, they sometimes go to think I have VR because I don't want to make them come because of because they must come. They must come. You go soon them very soon. Very, very soon. Now me be Vivian. Before you go say come on one day, you know bring your children, you say I tell them, come on, you should come and say hi. You'll shock. You go shock. Everything there with me. I don't fair tell you yourself. Say, you see that course where you cause bush lion. I don't pass there. Emi ya going. Na yari. Before I come sit down and tell you sometimes of the thoughts not be. Some people go they show something 20 years in abroad, 30 years in abroad, and now when I go they show some kind of things, I go they shame. It's okay. People will not get. God go bless you and I go get her. I don't know if you understand. Now go get her. But sometimes you lose some kind of things. I wish I don't show her since. Go for just to get that idea. You say me marry person criminal. That make it wrong. It wrong. You not fit give me anything. Right? If it's really like that, why I can't take get all these things now? You say I say you lie. You lying on me. That is my S, is my past. You talk out for this your video, say he won't leave me. Say no, because no say never every time I go they carry. He won't leave me. You know, gonna procure for plan now. I don't really need you for my phone. Because I am you dey talk. He won't leave me, not give me anything. Can't run leave me. Vivian. Hey God, you believe that man? Me, he shame me. Till today, if I call her, he go answer me. He go answer me. Hello, how you doing? You need anything? How you doing? He go answer me straight ahead. Push now you after. How they play? I too much. You hear me? I don't come America come play. I know they play. Saga, I know they take my thing what I want to. For Saga, for me to come the answer person, may I can't forget myself. I go leave the Facebook. I go arrange my life. I can't come back to Facebook. Facebook, no, they run. No. Anytime when you tell open, I go, you must see people will go watch you. Facebook, no, they run. That is say sometimes I don't go see me. Now believe say Vivian. I know what they do. I know what they do. So people don't do Facebook, lose everything where they get for life. May not be like that. I'm a very smart woman. Do you understand? Bush, you see, Anna, tell me, you not be level, we not be mates. You wait there years, how many years? But me wait, you come. I feel prove myself. You cannot even prove yourself. Show me your papers, you cannot. Show me your house, you cannot. Show me your car, you cannot. Show me your certificate where your party carry you, where you take go school, you cannot. Show me your working permit, you cannot. Show me your driver's license, you cannot. You see how stupid you are. Then you will come out and start talking to me. Me. Anything when I put my hand, God, they put her, they bless her. Because my heart is pure. Are you mad? How you look me? You look me like Dundee. See you. Shame on you. Bastard. Idiots. That get paper. It's not documented. It's not. They welcome me. Welcome to United States. I I the man we welcome to United States of America. I develop it. Well, I don't even need to prove myself more than this. I told you, I tell you, any paper where you bring come out, I go bring am. You as a you feel say you too much, I go bring am come out. Then you go know say, this Vivian, I know they play. I know they play. Meanwhile, I stay away from social media for some time. This I don't know what I do. Are you mad? Are you mad? I know they play. My children first. I don't go feel come here, come they bump, leave my children for us. For what now? Wait, please me they enjoy everything. My children don't go there here with me. No, very soon. You go sit there. Your wish start not be, you know, if you stop her. Very soon you go see my children for here. This is how you look me safe. My children never come here. I know they born another pikin. If I thought say I want born, or if I thought say I want marry. Now wait till I promise myself be that. You know, get that prick go sweet me rich. You know, get that love go sweet me rich. My children first. My children first. Because of the now I enter road. I say I must stand these children. And now they do so. Very soon, a little bit. Go see them. Go say, again now. I know they play. They mad. Just say I be like person will go enter abroad, finish, can't they enjoy, can't leave the children, or can't leave where, forget where for they come. Now lie, not be me. I be woman, and woman I be. You hear? 5 years. Under 5 years, I get their highest paper. It is say easy. Under 5 years. If na Europe, my mates they are duro. They never stand. If na here, most of my friends who gather come, all of them still they go there like now they my own. And nobody they ask with me. Some people they ask with 3 people. They get roommates. Me, I never ever one day carry roommates for my life. I dey pay for my house $1,400 every month. Pay for internet, pay for my insurance, pay for my phone bills, pay my house rent, take care of my children, take care of my siblings, take care of my mom. Anywhere or mokpa no swam me 200 or me. Na me the runner. Thank God you talk and say, my basha woman, na work of my hands. I dey walk. If you talk say woman dey walk, I dey walk. That make I don't want marry lazy man. Because me, I know they give man shishi. You just remember how man where I want me tire or wait you. Did you get that? Any man when want come meet me, go make sure say get money, go fit take care of me. My money na for my children. If I took on over, say okay, I'll give people where need them, not the people where don't need them. So I am working for myself. I am a very hard working woman. Waiting me the chest, ma. Not fit chest down. Some men, not be all, not fit chest down. Do you understand? This kind of life now I need for my children. Now make me leave their papa. We not ready, because some men not ready to help you take care of children. I leave her. You go your own way. My children are my first priority. Now stand put. See your life. I can't rush marry. What will be your problem? You see what I gain for inside now. Hello? Go me round up. What you mean with it? Go me round up. Could they imagine? How una they look me safe? Una just they see una to say I they play. I know they play oh. Hey oh God. Ya tamu wagme so we huemu wa so. Wa fi we Vivian no. Even no. I know they rake. Una no worry in the tickle of her hand now soon now 6 years. Una wa winning na ya. Me no more Vivian. I winna. I won't man winna. But I beg enya. Maybe while they were. I winna. Oh God. If they school. Now me J school. Now me tack. Me. I dey calculate my life. And if they say who. I be very responsible person to the core. I know what I am doing. My children first. My children first. Who be the man? Hey, who be that person? Why I tell her say I not do it. I know why. We not quarrel. But waiting you want, me no want her. I want my children to come here. If I thought say I want born again, I will know. So okay, my children don't day. Everybody don't day here. Let me say you go to pressure me leave my for what now? And because my children now come up for us. So as I come here, so I need to fight for them so that they will join me. And when they are here, now I say today Vivian dey Dubai, tomorrow she dey UK, this tomorrow she dey this place. When I go here and I go see them now. Anywhere where I want go, I go go. My children don't do here with me. I don't do okay. If now waiting that they use chest, they do I for that chest time. I'll carry the come. But no, I want to make them come with honor, paper, everything go there their hand. As it them my hand, so they go get their own, now they go give them. Not be the one I'll rush them come. I'll come they find. No, I want pass through process. Everything for here na process. Which you might know. People wait there abroad. Na process, and I'm on it. So push rat, me and you no be mates. You get opportunity to born all your children for here. Not me say you better, you don't better. No. You don't know how they take the pay school fees now. And that one is the first course. If you born, you know if you take care of your children. Person years they take care of her for you. That first course. You know they prosper. You know they progress. And that one be the blessing when they get today. I know they disturb their papa. Whether I give them, not give them, I don't care. Their school fees are the pay and only me the chest. Their books. Like me. Every year I change every time I change ekpo. You understand? My children are okay. Only mommy when you're in when you go along. Like me the runner. I don't they come to the brag, but I just they talk on now you push me. Now you push me. I just did my own chill, bro. They do like say I don't see anybody. If there's some people don't get this thing, they'll call the dance for live video. Congratulations to me, congratulations to me. I suppose do one because me, and people like me supposed do one because I just come. But people wait don't spend how many years, they go still come do one. People will still appreciate them. But me, I don't get time for all those things. I get bigger things to do. Not be all those. And because say you they dare me yourself, I don't get. She don't get paper. She's not documented. They welcome me. Welcome to the United States of America. Are you mad? Under 5 years. You see, say me and you not be mates. I not bring the real one on a driver's license. Now I just show you example. Which you know I be. You don't already know the paper where I carry. When I take you bring this driver's license, 10 years driver's license. For you tell them to give you that 10 years driver's license, and I be say, hey, you be oga, you know. Now me and you na here with it. Madman. Now me you wanted to play. How you they look me safe? You know me people where I don't inspire. People where they call me. People where they here where they don't know what to do, they go call me. You know people why they advise. Do one like this, do one like this. They go click all you boy. You know people they thank me. You know how many people are they tell us they play? Come here. They found who I follow, who I not follow, who I live, who I not live. They tell when me why you already say, Mona come and invite you and they come Nigeria, I want to do my marriage. That means that they don't know why admission. I never even ready now. You don't the craze. Hey, madman. Idiots. Me and you not be level. Go and kill yourself. Alright? So my people, I'm here. You understand? I know they rush. I know they too talk. This guy push me. Make I talk. And I swear I talk. So small out of 100. I only drop 1. This year, my people, my birthday is supposed to be May. My use opportunity to tell now. I will still tell now again. I not go do on May. I go shift time, which I will tell now the dates. You understand? Because this year, I suppose to celebrate that birthday. On a round figure number. So I suppose to celebrate them. But I will give you now one shift time. I'll give you now the dates. And I will see them with your eyes. This guy is saying me and I did the same level. We're not there, my guy. Go and kill yourself. You don't already fail. You are a failure. To yourself, to your family, to the society, to your parents. So I'll not cause your problem. So stop admiring me, eh? I'll not be your type. I too pass you. I'll kill you before your time. So go and die. So bye-bye, my people. See you guys soon. Okay? When you come out, I'm here. I have a lot of those to give her. Now just small. Now I don't give her soon. When I tell her, me go work, me get life. At least me they useful to the society. Not because they do bad. They drop people page. They do all sorts of nonsense. You don't go help him. Make it work. Make it try. Be responsible for himself. even though not for him children when he born, because government already take all those ones responsibility. Make himself responsible at least for himself. May he get his own self-respect. May they regard his own self. Not be to the proclaim for everything on social media. They find Vivian, where Vivian go, where he don't go. Wetin he wear, wetin he don't wear. How he look, how he not look. I not be your wife. I not be your girlfriend. I not be your sister. So leave me alone and stop monitoring me. I dey arrange my life, je. You understand? So go and kill yourself. Okay? My people, my good commenters, people that are watching me, I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys for coming back, even when you dropped the first one. When I come back again, God bless you guys. I love you. Stay tuned. God bless you. I'll come back online any moment from now. So let me go arrange myself. Now understand. Today na weekend. I dey follow up for here. So guys, bye bye.